Hello, and welcome to Silent Driving Lessons. This is the Knowing Your Traffic Signs series. Tram signs, signals and road markings. Trams can run on roads used by other vehicles and pedestrians. The part of the road used by trams, the swept path, may have a different color or textured surface to the rest of the road, or it may be edged with special road markings. Keep the swept path clear. Trams cannot move out of the way of other road users. Route for trams only, and buses where the upper sign also includes the bus symbol. Indication of a tram-only route at a junction ahead. Warning of trams crossing the road ahead. Road marking indicating the start of a route for trams only, and buses when varied to tram and bus only. Reminder to pedestrians to look out for trams approaching from both directions. Drivers of other vehicles must give way to trams at level crossings without barriers, gates or road traffic light signals. Sometimes just a give way sign and a tram plate may be used. Example of signs, signals and road markings for tram drivers. The signal mounted to the right gives instructions to tram drivers. These instructions may not be the same as those given to drivers of other vehicles. Stop unless it is unsafe to do so. Stop. Proceed ahead. Proceed left. Proceed right. Stop line for trams at traffic signals where that part of the road is not used by other vehicles. Speed limit sign for tram drivers shown in kilometers per hour. All diamond-shaped signs are for tram drivers only. Bus and cycle signs and road markings. No vehicles designed to carry more than 8 passengers, excluding driver, or local buses. With flow bus lane ahead that can also be used by pedal cycles and taxis. Hours of operation may be shown. With flow bus and pedal cycle lane sign showing hours of operation. Route for buses and pedal cycles only, cycles not admitted when cycle symbol not shown, taxis admitted when taxi shown in upper sign. The word local on the bus symbol means the only buses that may use the lane are those running a local service. Where the word local is not shown, the lane may be used by any vehicle designed to carry more than 8 passengers, excluding the driver, and local buses. Solo motorcycles may use the lane where the motorcycle symbol is shown on the signs. Other vehicles may enter and stop in a bus lane to load and unload unless signs alongside the lane indicate otherwise. Road marking indicating the start of a route for buses only. Taxi and/or the cycle symbol may be included. Bus lane road marking. Traffic may use both lanes at the end of a bus lane. Where there is a break in a bus lane at a junction, other traffic may use the left-hand lane for turning left only. Bus lane on road at junction ahead. End of bus lane. Contra-flow bus lane. The upwards arrows indicate the number of traffic lanes available. Contra-flow bus and pedal cycle lane on road at junction ahead. Reminder to pedestrians to look out for buses or buses and pedal cycles approaching from the right. Road marking for a contra-flow bus lane that is also used by pedal cycles. Parking place for buses only, during times shown, with time limit. Parking place for buses only, no time limit. Stopping place for buses. Stopping place for tourist buses to allow passengers to take photographs. Place where local buses may stand, from which all other vehicles are prohibited during the times shown. Stopping by vehicles other than local buses prohibited during the times shown. Plates used to indicate exemptions for buses, taxis and pedal cycles from prohibitions such as turn left ahead and no left turn. These signs may be circular when mounted in combination with traffic signals. The broad continuous yellow line at the edge of the carriageway means that other vehicles are prohibited from stopping. Entrance to a bus station, depot or garage. Mandatory with flow pedal cycle lane ahead. Hours of operation may be shown. Mandatory with flow pedal cycle lane. Other vehicles must not use this part of the carriageway except to pick up or set down passengers. Hours of operation may be shown. Route recommended for pedal cycles on the main carriageway of a road. This may be marked as an advisory pedal cycle lane. Mandatory contra-flow pedal cycle lane. The upwards arrows indicate the number of traffic lanes available. Road markings for a mandatory pedal cycle lane. Contra-flow pedal cycles in a one-way street, other than a mandatory contra-flow cycle lane. This may be marked by a broken line on the carriageway, or there may be no line at all. Pedal cycle lane on road at junction ahead, or, where lane is varied to track, cycle track crossing road at junction ahead. Road markings for an advisory pedal cycle lane. Other vehicles should not use this part of the carriageway unless it is unavoidable. Reminder to pedestrians to look out for pedal cycles approaching from the right. End of cycle lane, track or route. Road marking indicating the end of a cycle lane, track or route. Shared route for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. Separated track and path for pedal cycles and pedestrians. Route for pedal cycles only. Riding of pedal cycles prohibited. Road marking separating cyclists and pedestrians on a shared route may be a raised line up to 20 mm high. Parking place for pedal cycles. No through road except for pedal cycles. Pedal cycle route crossing or joining road ahead. Pedal cyclists to dismount at end of, or break in, a cycle lane, track or route. Advanced stop line for pedal cycles at traffic signals. When the signals are red, drivers of other vehicles must wait behind the first stop line. If the signals change to red when a vehicle is crossing the first line, the driver must stop at the second line. Drivers should allow time and space for cyclists to move off when the signals change to green. Plates used with "Cycle Route Ahead" sign. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.